Hello guys, so let's unbox my ring light. So I got this ring light from Jumia. Ooh, finally your girl has gotten her 18 inches ring light. Finally, so this content creation we are entering it full time now. Yes, so watch this video. Let's unbox it. Let's see what we have in here. Let's hope that everything is complete inside. So keep watching and don't forget to like and also share. These people really wrap this thing for like more than for 5 minutes. I was trying to know where how I was going to remove it. The wrap no be here, they wrap This is the ring light stand. Here's the stand. As you can see, everything is okay. It's brand new, it's looking, it's even shining here. No get problem, no get issue. I was thirsty, so I paused to drink water. I smiled at her because she was smiling at me, and then I continued to unwrap my delivery of my ring light. Here comes the ring light. So yes, finally here comes the ring light, and these are what I found inside. Keep watching. So it's time to set up the ring light. Thanks for watching. So wait for the next video to see how I set up my ring light. Bye.